When I first met Vanessa, I was working double shifts at a greasy diner just to make rent. She was radiant, ambitious, and from a wealthy family. I was smitten, and naive. We dated for 6 months. I gave her everything I could. Picked her up in my beat-up Honda, saved tips to buy her birthday roses, cooked dinner because I couldn't afford restaurants. She smiled, at first. But then things changed. One night at a party thrown by one of her friends, I overheard Vanessa laughing with them. "He's sweet, but come on," she giggled, "he's a waiter with dreams. That's not a future, that's a phase." They all laughed. Loudly. I stood frozen behind the kitchen wall, gripping the champagne glass I had brought her. That night, she dumped me with a polite text. "You're a great guy, but we want different things. I hope you understand." Oh, I understood. I deleted her number, but I never deleted the memory. I went dark. No more distractions. I poured all my pain into progress. By day, I worked. By night, I studied coding, business, and marketing. I taught myself everything I could. Slept 4 hours a night. Started freelancing. Then consulting. Then building. 3 years later, I launched a software startup focused on logistics automation. Investors liked it. So did Fortune 500 clients. By year 5, I sold it. 8 figures. Clean. Suddenly, the guy she laughed at was being laughed with, by CEOs, venture capitalists, even Forbes. I was no longer invisible. I changed cities. Upgraded my life. New penthouse, new circle, same focus. But one thing never left my mind, Vanessa. Not because I missed her, because I remembered her. Then, fate played its hand. At a high-end tech gala in LA, I was a keynote speaker. After the talk, there was a cocktail mixer. And there she was, Vanessa, standing by the bar, drink in hand, her smile, dimmer now. She didn't recognize me at first. I approached. "Vanessa," I said with a calm grin. "Wow, long time." She blinked. "I'm sorry, do I? Wait, Jason." Her eyes widened like she'd seen a ghost who bought the building. "You look amazing," she stammered. "What are you doing here?" "I'm speaking," I said. "Just closed a partnership with Tesla. Logistics overhaul." Her jaw almost hit the marble floor. We chatted. She told me things hadn't gone the way she'd hoped. Left her job, had a messy breakup, trying to restart her life. Then came the question, "So, are you seeing anyone?" I smiled. "Actually, yes. She's incredible. Kind. Real. Was with me before the success." That flicker in her eyes, panic masked by a tight smile, was the closure I didn't know I needed. As I walked away, I didn't feel anger. I felt peace. Not because I had won, but because I'd healed. Revenge wasn't ruining her. Revenge was becoming everything she said I couldn't.